My name is Philip Stolen. My student number is 71 2019 022. My reaction when I hear bad news is that I will feel panic and I feel worried and even lose focus, stress, feeling dizzy, lazy to think, turning on the other people, nothing having motivation to do activities, and something to relieve stress by talking a break and meeting my good friend Sipo. Sipo is dog, you know, and as human being, but in news we always being that normal in my opinion. And every bad thing that I go through, I think this happening God's plans. Something but brings a lesson for you all, especially for me. That bad news broke me down, but also serves and motivation to better understand God's intentions, making more open mind and mature. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ayuresti Madika and my student number is 71 2019 036. How do I react when I hear bad news? At times, feelings of shock, sadness, and disappointment mix in me, or one of them. I also seem to grumble sometimes. Why did this happen? I realize that sometimes I just want to achieve the good things in my life without achieving something bad. Then how do I find good intention in this situation? I think that my thoughts have a big role to play in this. Since childhood, I was brought to know him. Until I was an adult, I felt that I knew and was closer to him, even though sometimes I was not loyal to him. God is in my life. Thinking that God is always intervening in my life leads me to see that everything that happens is God's best. The thing that I always want to remember is that when I experience good thing, I'm taught to give thanks and be happy in moderation. When I hear about or experience something bad, I'm taught to still give thanks for it and see it as a warning to get better every day. Working on ourselves and surrendering to God is a self that we must win every day. Thank you.
Hello, thank you for the time for me. My name is Yufri Magdalena Seru. My study number 71 2019 040. There are two questions. The first about reflection when we hear too bad news, and the second is about how to find God's purpose in the situation. Of course, I will be shocked. It make me cry too. Despite experiencing when in this situation there is no one by her side. Even as the human, this is a unfair trial. Why is this ordeal coming to me? And is it continue to happen at the same time? I can't even believe that it will happen, and it can be said that this is all just a dream. Of course, in this incident, not everyone immediately think about God, but inside plans God. They can't even think why God give me such a trial without realizing that in every situation God is always by our side. We shall not feel alone and know that God is always by our side, and God every gives a trials beyond our ability. number is 71 2019 046. My reaction when I receive bad news depends on how bad it is. If the news was so bad for me, then I will be so devastated, scared, disappointed, and uneasy that I blame God based on circumstances I felt. My mind is distracted, my focus is divided because I have to think about that bad thing along with other things that I have to think about. My mood must be set when if it's very bad news, I'm easy to cry and make me a sensitive person. I get angry easily and get emotional. At that time, I would look for my parents to tell the bad news that I received. Because I'm a person who is very dependent on parents, so that whatever I feel, I have to tell my parents. In some of the bad things that I have experienced, I have discovered God's intentions not in an instant, but in a later period. As long as I didn't understand God's intentions, I keep trying, struggling, and in my distress, I keep thinking and trying to do things relate to what I was going through. Finally, as time went by, many things that I went through, many things I received, made me automatically realize that this was part of God's design. Relate to the bad news I received before. There I lived and realized God's inclusion that is never too late in myself.